Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Mac. Be sure to thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos.
Hey gang, Scooter from Toys here, testing out the SIDEKICK Folding lock from Ottolock. This is a compact, extra tough lock designed specifically for e-bikes. Starting with the unboxing, everything was neatly packed and easy to identify. The package comes with Velcro straps to secure the lock to your e-bike, as well as multiple keys to ensure you don't lose them. The lock itself comes in a handy carrying holster that is easy to access and keeps the lock secure while riding. The SIDEKICK is built from heavy-duty, 5mm thick hardened steel links that unfold from 7.5 inches long and 2 inches thick to an 11-inch loop. At just over 2 pounds, you won't even notice the lock is there when you're riding. It's a perfect compact security companion that will ensure your expensive e-bike stays safe while you're out doing whatever. The locking mechanism is a simple knob latch that the other end of the SIDEKICK easily slides into before you turn the key to secure it, and vice versa. Assembly was ridiculously easy. You simply run the straps through the back of the holster and you're ready to install it on your e-bike. It took me a second to find the correct way to insert the straps so that they could Velcro on, but once I got it, it was as easy as looping them around and sticking them. Here's some more footage demonstrating just how easy the install is. Depending on the location of your e-bike's battery, you can choose to put it on the main frame or beneath the seat. I opted for the latter because it was more narrow and out of the way. Then the lock itself pops right in and is secured with its own elastic strap. As you can see, the lock stayed completely secure during my ride. When you find a place to lock up, simply park your bike, unlatch the SIDEKICK, and unlock it. Then loop it around your stationary post or rack, pop the lock knob back in, and use your key to secure it. I wish the loop was a little longer so I could get it around the frame and through the front tire, but regardless, no one is getting through the SIDEKICK's hardened steel links. If you're interested in trying the Ottolock SIDEKICK for yourself, be sure to use the link in the description below. That's all for now.